crossbody bag. And let me tell you, it's a game changer. First off, look at this sleek, waterproof fabric. Spills in rain? No problem. But the real magic is inside. The multi-compartment design means absolute organization. No more digging around for your keys. It comes with a detachable pouch. Plus this free mini accessories bag charm for your earphones. It is so stinking cute. Look at this. So stylish, functional, and perfectly organized.